In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift someone Robux. So this is the most up-to-date way to go and give someone Robux in Roblox, so you can go and gift your friends or someone you know Robux. Now the very first thing we need to do is just head over to the official Roblox website, and we need to sign in on the account that we want to receive the Roblox on. Now once you're signed into your account that's going to be receiving the Robux, we need to click on Create in the top navigation. Now over in the left hand side, click on Creations, and then scroll down to your experiences and go and select one of your places. In the left hand navigation, scroll all the way down to passes and click on this. You can then scroll down again and click on Create a pass. Now for the name, just go and type in anything here, it doesn't really matter, and you can also type in anything for the description. We're then going to scroll down and click on Create Pass. Now once your pass has been created, scroll down and you should be able to find it in this list. So I'm going to click on it like so, and then over in the left hand side, click on Sales. You can then go and toggle on this option, Item for Sale, and then go and type in the amount of Robux that you want to receive on this account. So let's say I wanted to receive 1,000 Robux. We're then going to scroll down and just click on Save Changes. You can then click on Back to Passes in the top navigation, and if you scroll down, you just need to ensure that your Game Pass is now turned on and enabled. Now once you've done this, head over to the Roblox website. So now this account that's receiving the Robux, that's everything that they need to do. So you can go and sign out of this account and sign into the account that's going to be sending the Robux. Now once you're signed into your new account, click on the search box and go and search for Please Donate and click on this. You then need to head inside of the official Please Donate game and then just go and open up this experience. Now once you're in Please Donate, you need to click on the gifts icon in the left hand side. You can then go and type in the username of the person you're sending this Robux to. You can also go and attach a message, and then you can go and press gift. Now this is going to take us over to the stand with all of the different game passes. Now from here, just go and select the game pass or the amount that you want to go and gift. And as long as you have enough in your Robux account, you'll be able to gift this person Robux. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.